Hi Neet Aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
Good morning students. States of matter chapter started. Videos please see. And today topic is different velocities of gas molecules. What are the velocities? Different velocities of gas molecules. Different velocities of gas molecules. Gas molecules. The gas molecules are far away from each other compared to solids. Solids, the atoms, ions, molecules are very near each other. They have definite shape, definite volume. In the case of gases, they are far away from each other. And what are the different velocities? First one is a most probable velocity. First one, most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. What is most probable velocity? And next one is average velocity, RMS velocity, root mean square velocity, average velocity of gas molecules. And first one is VMP. VMP means most probable velocity. Most probable velocity. What is most probable velocity definition? We can write it. Velocity possessed by maximum number of gas molecules is called most probable velocity. What is the definition? Definition is velocity possessed by maximum number of gas molecules. Maximum number of gas molecules. For example, I am taking one vessel in a gas molecules. I think 200 gas molecules are present in this. They are having the speed, velocity. For example, in this vessel 200 gas molecules are present. And the gas molecule speed is 500 meter per second. Now, what is the definition? Velocity possessed by maximum number means 150 molecules having 500 meter per second speed means the molecules, maximum number of molecules having speed, velocity possessed by maximum number of gas molecules, that is called most probable velocity. Now write most probable velocity, we can write Cp, that is equal to under root 2RT by m. 2RT by m. What is the R? That is the universal gas constant. T is the temperature. This one is m is molecular mass. Now we can write it under root PV is equal to nRT. PV equal to RT. We can write 2PV by m. 2PV by m. That is equal to 2P by D. 2P by D. These are the formulas using for most probable velocity. What is the most probable velocity, student? Velocity possessed by maximum number of gas molecules, that is called most probable velocity. What is the formula, the Cp is equal to under root to 2RT by m. Now PV equal to nRT formula, you know, PV equal to nRT. This is the ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. Now RT place you can substitute to PV equal to RT na PV, and mass by volume, that is density. These formulas are used for while you are performing the numericals velocities of the gas molecules. And next one is average velocity or mean velocity. What is average velocity and mean velocity? Average velocity or mean velocity mean velocity. This one is C bar. Now write average velocity of average velocities of all gas molecules, average velocities of all gas molecules, that is called average velocities of all gas molecules is called average velocity or mean velocity. What is average velocity, student? Average velocity of all gas molecules is called average velocity. If N1 molecule having velocity that is V1. N1 molecule having velocity V1. If you take N2 molecule having velocity that is V2. N1 molecule having velocity V1, N2 molecule having velocity V2. Now average velocity is equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 plus dash 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 by N1 plus N2. Now average velocity is equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by N1 plus N2. Now write average velocity formula. Average C bar is equal to under root 8 RT by 5m. 8 RT by 5m. We can write RT place already you know, and 8 PV by 5m. 8 PV by 5m. That is equal to under root 8p by mass by volume means density 5d. We can write here is under root 8 by 5 in this average velocity. These are the formulas you have to remember. Average velocity is equal to under root 8 RT by 5m. Now PV equal to RT place we can write to PV by 5m. Now mass by velocity by mass by velocity is equal to density. Here P V by M is equal to D, P 8P by 5D. This problem, these formulas you have to remember. It is used in numerical solving. Maximum JEE means they are giving this type, and Neet program you have to remember. What average velocity or mean velocity? Average velocities of all gas molecules is called average velocity. For example, N1 molecule having velocity V1, N2 molecule having velocity is V2. Now average is equal to average velocity or mean velocity is equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 plus dash 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 by N1 plus N2. You have to remember average velocity under root 8 RT by 5m, that is equal to under root 8 PV by 5m. These are the first one is most probable velocity, and next one is average velocity of gas molecules. What are the different velocities of gas molecules? Average velocities, most probable velocity, and RMS velocity. And next last one is RMS velocity, root mean square velocity. What is RMS velocity, student? Root mean square velocity. Last one, write down. RMS, VRMS means root mean square velocity, because the different gas molecules having different velocity. For example, this one, the gas molecule U1, and that is V1, this is V1, this is V2, another gas molecule. These are the gas molecules, no? Different velocities. This is V3. Now write VRMS, V root mean square velocity, that is equal to under root, write down V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square plus dash 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 Vn square by n. V1 square, V2 square, V3 square plus dash 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 Vn square by n. This is the VRMS, root mean square velocity. Now write root mean square velocity VRMS is equal to under root 83 RT by m, 83 RT by m, that is equal to, in the case RT place write PV, 3 PV by m, 3 PV by m, and that is equal to under root 3P by D, 3P by D. This formula means VRMS means under root 3 RT by m. This is the root mean square velocity. What are the velocities are there? First one is V most probable velocity. Another one is the average velocity. Another one is the VRMS, root mean square velocity. Now write the here a term under root 2, that is equal to under root 8 by 5 and root 3. These are the this is most probable velocity, average velocity, RMS velocity. Now any gas molecule, the gas molecules having speed, any type of gas molecule having the three different type of velocities. What are the velocities? Most probable, average, RMS velocity. For example, any gas molecules, the speed of VRMS is more speed, and V average. Another one is VMP, most probable velocity. Any gas molecule we can Which one is the more speed? RMS velocity, root mean square velocity. Any gas molecules, they can follow this type of speed. Which one is more speed? RMS velocity. Or the gas molecules having RMS velocity is the more speed. Any gas molecule follow this order. Least one is the most probable velocity. Highest one is the RMS velocity. And already I discussed in gaseous laws and Dalton's law of partial pressure, Graham's law of diffusion, and next hydrogen bonding and van der Waals forces of attraction and Graham's law of diffusion. And keep watching my videos and please subscribe and comment it and share it. Thank you for watching my videos.